Hey folks, well, if you're having trouble with your BMW low beam headlights, basically hitting the ground about 10-12 feet in front of the car, it's most likely this level adjuster. And this is a 2005 330i, and the part is right here. And this is on the passenger side lower control arm, or the only control arm because it's a strut, but that component right there with the little arm on it and the rod, that senses the height of the car, which sends a signal to the computer, which adjusts the headlights. It's based on the weight in the vehicle and stuff. So I take that one bolt out of there that goes into the arm, and then that slides out of the plastic arm, and then that switch has, you can see that little Allen socket head bolt on the top. There's one underneath it too. And replace that part, it's about 30 bucks, 40 bucks, something like that. And that should correct your headlight issues, because I've adjusted the headlights manually at the headlight housing, got them right where I wanted, and they moved right back down again. So this is the part, the new one. And it just plugs in. And then as this moves, it's just a rheostat in there, I guess, and it tells the car what the height is, and it adjusts the headlights accordingly. So if you're having trouble with that, which is very annoying, that's the part they fix right there.